Hello and welcome to the channel, welcome to Languedoc Property Finders, and welcome back to the Coteau Molière, see the description below for how that's spelled, in Pézenas. This is a very nice small gated development on the edge of the town of Pézenas. There are 73 houses, most of them 2 bedrooms, some of them 3, and there are a small number of, I think there's about 5 that are slightly bigger. These were built in 2001-2002 and are absolutely perfect for a lock up and leave, easy to manage holiday home. This one is in a very nice location and is particularly well presented. It is absolutely beautiful, and while we're out here, I might as well start by showing you the garden. So you've got a beautifully designed and maintained garden. You've got a nice sized terrace. So as I said at the beginning, 2 bedrooms. Now the sun is in such a location that it's probably going to shine right on the lens, but you've got a very pretty garden, slightly larger than average garden I would say for this particular house, but very well maintained. Beautifully trimmed hedges, lovely gravel, just a fantastic garden. And the garden goes to a point there. You can see the satellite dish tucked away discreetly. Now when I first started selling these, I was absolutely convinced, because it was obvious to me, that the big attraction for these houses was going to be the fact that there is a communal swimming pool. But I was wrong. The big attraction for these houses is actually that you can walk into the centre of Pézenas, the town, in about 15 minutes. That is a real bonus. All of the houses have got a storage shed. This one here, average size, but you've got natural ventilation with the window, and you've got electricity in here. So that's a really useful space. If you follow the link in the description below the video, I will post full details of the house, including, of course, photos of the swimming pool area, which is lovely. The houses also come with typically an allocated parking space, sometimes a garage, occasionally both. This has got an allocated parking space. So let's go on in and have a look. The house has been modernised beautifully, and the layout of these is quite simple. So you, on the ground floor, you've basically got your living space with an open plan kitchen. Not all of the houses have a downstairs toilet. This one does. Not all of the houses have an upstairs toilet. This one does. Typically, they'll have either a toilet upstairs or downstairs, with a smaller number of houses having both. The owners have also been very clever in that they've designed this sort of island area here to fit the space here. And what that means is you get a very usable space, but it's not too big. Sometimes people put in a dining table that's too big and it eats into your living space a little bit too much. The other thing that they've done, which is very clever, is they've put the kitchen cupboards here, the upper units, extending all the way to the ceiling. Makes a big difference in the amount of space you get. You've got a built-in dishwasher, oven, electric hob extractor, space for a decent sized fridge freezer. Really nice sitting area, beautifully furnished. And from the sitting area, you've got your double doors, which go straight out to your dining terrace. This house has also got this retractable sun blind, Again, not all of them have that. That wasn't a standard issue when they were built. That's a nice bonus to have. I think the idea of having a smaller sofa tucked into the little nook underneath the stairs is really good. I think that works very well. And then here you've got a little lobby where you've got your washing machine plumbed in, hot water cylinder. Originally these houses were delivered with huge great water cylinders, which were completely unnecessary. And the current owners have changed that, so they put in a much smaller one, much more suitable to this size property, and that's freed up a lot of space down here. Then you've got your downstairs toilet. Again, not all of the houses have got the downstairs toilet, so that's good. Really smart kitchen. They've even got more storage space under here. So there are 73 houses in this development. The development again is called the Coteaux Molières. So make sure you click on the link in the description below this video or in the pop-up that will appear on screen towards the end of the video. That will take you to the full property listing, where you can see all the photos, including photos of the pool area, which is very, very nice. Upstairs, you've got your shower room with toilet. And then your 2 bedrooms. This bedroom can take a double 140 width coming out here. You have to move the heater. You just move the heater along the wall a little bit. A double bed will come out to more or less here. So that still works. And then you've got a bit of a recess there, you can see, which is a good place to have hanging space. Chest of drawers, small wardrobe, etc. Then you've got the main bedroom, which is beautifully presented again. And with the main bedrooms, they always have a bit of storage space built in here, which is really helpful. One of the things you can do now with this modern construction, all of the internal walls are plasterboard. And what that means is you can do something very clever. You can cut out a large area here, all the way up to the ceiling. Cut this out, put a floor into that part going over here, which translates to coming across here, plasterboard up here, and you suddenly get yourself a load more storage space access from the other side, from the bedroom. Now, important thing to note, because of the design of the stairwell, you can do that and you can come right the way out to about here without compromising head height as you come down the stairs. So I'm almost 6 foot, and if I come down there, I'm in no way anywhere close to catching my head. So that's a really nice bonus to be able to consider to increase storage space, and very straightforward. So a beautifully presented 2-bedroom house, absolutely perfectly suited to a holiday home, but also increasingly these are used as full-time homes. Nice and secure. You've got gates at the entrance, you've got your allocated parking, you've got a lovely garden area, you've got the swimming pool, and they're fantastic houses. So that's the end of the tour. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and if you'd like to come and have a look, then send me a message or follow the link in the description to get to the full details of the house. And you can send us a contact directly from our website. So we are in Le Coteau Molière, in Pézenas, in the sunny south of France. And that is the end of the tour. Thank you very much for watching.